Hey guys, this is how to play League of Legends on repeat.gg. So, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to repeat.gg, and this will be their homepage. So guys, from here, just simply go ahead and click on login over here if you don't have an account. But if you don't have an account, you can just simply click on over here to sign up. And from here, you can sign up using PlayStation Network, Google, Facebook, or sign up with your email. So it will be depending on you, and just simply sign up or log in into your account. And now guys, once you are signed in, this will be their homepage, and just simply click over here and just go for desktop. And from here, just click on the League of Legends. And from here guys, you'll be able to see directly the multiple tournaments that are available. So it will be depending on you. So guys, from here, just simply click on one. So guys, from here, since my League of Legends is already connected, you won't be able to see here add a game. But if you do, the add game button will be right over here. And once you have a click on that, just simply sign in into your account using Riot. And from there, once you have signed in, automatically you'll be able to join the tournament. And guys, in order for you to check out the information about the tournament, it's just simply go to overview over here. And as you can see, this is the match requirements, and you'll be able to see here the allowed champion as well. And if you want to see more, just click here. And now you can just simply go to leaderboard, and from here you will be able to see who is the number one on the spot on the tournament. And when you go to the prize pool over here, you should be able to see the price on each rank. So if you rank number one, you will get this certain amount, and so on. And now when you go to scoring, you'll be able to see here on how many points will you get on each activity. So if you go for win, you'll get 30 points, and the others. And now just simply go to rules. And from here, you should be able to see here the rules of the tournament. As you can see, it is a rank only. And there you go. That's pretty much it. Just simply click on add a game over here. And from there, you'll be able to join the tournament. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.